Hi there. Based on our research, the GameOn partners have produced 7 models to approach game design. The curricular approach is one of them. Usually, the curricular process is practiced in formal education institutions, for example high schools or universities. Young people design game prototypes related to a specific topic from the academic curriculum. Young people get involved in most phases of the game design process, except dissemination and multiplying. The primary goal is to develop young people's competences related to inclusion and learn about the topic chosen from the curriculum. Following the curricular approach, young people get involved in the following stages of the game design process: developing a game concept, game development, game testing. Curricular game design has unique features to guide and support the process. Usually, young people collaborate in small groups through a guided and planned process. Each group creates a different game prototype. Often, the process does not include a longer testing and dissemination phase. The focus is to develop students' competences and knowledge related to the curriculum. Games support the development of critical thinking about socially relevant topics they cover. Topics are selected by promoters, for example high schools. This game design process lasts between 3 and 6 months and is aligned to the academic calendar. School students whose participation is compulsory. The process is guided and supported by teachers, youth workers, game design experts and graphic designers. Usually, curricular game design is built around projects embedded within the high school or university curriculum. Young people's participation is facilitated by professionals, while results are formally evaluated by teachers. The process is guided and supported by teachers and group facilitators. These are some personal, social, and civic competences young people can develop in curricular game design projects. You can further explore examples of curricular game design. Join a learning playlist on methodological models in game design.